I think Disney might be overlooking a huge opportunity in Fantasyland at Magic Kingdom. And before you all get mad at me, just hear me out for a second. Now, before we get into it, if you love Disney World and Disney Parks content, please consider subscribing. We would really appreciate it. So basically, Disney built one of the coolest theme spaces in Fantasyland with this little tangled area, but never gave it a ride. And if you've ever walked through this section of Magic Kingdom, you know exactly what I'm talking about. You've got Rapunzel's tower towering above the trees. You've got all the lanterns hanging throughout the area. And at night, it just becomes one of the most atmospheric and beautiful corners of the entire park. It's clearly a space that Disney put a lot of thought into. But what's always felt strange to me is that Disney clearly sees value in Tangled. Otherwise, they wouldn't have built one of the most detailed themed areas in Fantasyland around it. And yet, despite all of that, Tangled never got an attraction. The movie and Rapunzel as a princess still remains incredibly popular to this day. Guests love this area. People stop here constantly to look at the beautiful lanterns, the tower, or just go to the restrooms because they have some very nice ones in this section. So at this point, you have a really nice mini land dedicated to Tangled, but somehow the biggest thing missing is an actual ride, which would be your bread and butter. And that's what started this whole idea for me. Because if Disney ever wanted to fix that problem and add a ride for Tangled, where in the world would you put it? And that's really the question that started this entire theory, because I honestly think there's an answer to that. Because obviously, if you have a Tangled ride at Magic Kingdom, it has to be in Fantasyland. So I started thinking of some potential spots, and honestly, I couldn't think of anywhere in Fantasyland that you could have just simply added a Tangled ride. And there's definitely no room around this Tangled themed land for them to just add in a Tangled ride out of nowhere. So then I started thinking even deeper. And I thought, what rides are around this little area? And those two happen to be Peter Pan's Flight and It's a Small World. I mean, it's perfect. It's a Small World sits right next to the Tangled area. It's a boat ride with a large ride building. And this isn't crazy at all because Disney has done this before with the version in Tokyo. Now, I understand a lot of people would really be upset about Small World being replaced. And I'm not saying it is, but I honestly think that it probably should be in the near future. And at least if this was the retheme, I would imagine a lot of people wouldn't be as upset if it were maybe something else. Now, you might be also saying, hey, this doesn't really fit next to Peter Pan's Flight. But for me, neither does Small World. We've just gotten used to the fact that they sit right next to each other. They don't really have any relevance. And that's why I'm saying this transition from Small World to Tangled would really not take that long to get used to for a lot of fans. Because this transition feels natural. If you're walking through Rapunzel's area, you're basically already there. So it doesn't feel forced, and unlike trying to squeeze a Tangled attraction somewhere else in the Magic Kingdom where it doesn't really make sense, this location already feels like it belongs to that world, and we're here just waiting for that ride to come. And with this retheme, I feel like they would have so much freedom. The size of the attraction is huge. A lot of guests just don't really realize how much space Small World actually occupies. I mean, the ride's 15 minutes long. It's one of the larger attractions and longest rides in duration in all of the parks. With a huge show building hidden behind the scenes, if Disney ever wanted to create a major Tangled attraction, they would need a lot of room to do it. But that room already exists. And honestly, that's when this whole idea started feeling a little less crazy to me. Now, obviously, I'm not saying Disney should get rid of every version of Small World. For me, I think Disneyland's original version should absolutely stay. I mean, that's Disney history. A lot of fans are still obsessed with this ride, and that's okay. They grew up with this ride. It's nostalgic to them. That's great. But luckily, there's a lot of different versions of It's a Small World throughout the world. But if Disney was ever going to test the waters with replacing one of these versions, Disney World feels like the logical choice to me. Not because Small World is a bad ride, but because this specific location around It's a Small World at Magic Kingdom makes so much sense for a Tangled retheme. For me, this is where I stop thinking about this is just a fun theory and start thinking that Disney should genuinely consider this. Because just because a ride sits next to a themed area doesn't automatically mean it should become that theme. The story has to fit. And the more I pictured a Tangled ride, the more it felt like something Disney would actually build. I mean, think about the journey guests could take. You could begin near Rapunzel's tower, seeing her life before she leaves for that first time. From there, guests could follow Rapunzel and Flynn Rider as they make their way through different scenes from the movie. The snuggly duckling feels like a scene Disney would absolutely include. That'd be awesome. Not only because it's one of the funniest moments in the film, but because it would just bring a ton of energy and personality to the attraction. Tangled is such an iconic and just great Disney movie. There's endless possibilities for all the scenes they could have in this attraction. You have all of these locations that just naturally lend themselves to physical sets, audio animatronics, and immersive storytelling. And while all of that would be great, we all know what the real highlight would be in this ride. And that's the lantern scene. Just like the version in Tokyo Disney that really focuses on this iconic scene from Tangled, it's a no-brainer that that moment alone would make this ride such a favorite among many fans. Imagine floating into a massive show scene where thousands of lanterns fill the room around your boat. The music starts playing, the room opens up, and suddenly you're surrounded by one of the most iconic scenes in modern Disney animation. Now, I know it's just one scene, but these are some of the iconic scenes that we need in these Disney parks. I mean, this scene alone, if it were remade in this attraction, and with all of these reasons I've mentioned, I don't just think Tangled could work here, I think Disney should actually consider it. Because while Small World is undeniably iconic, a modern Tangled boat ride with today's technology would probably become one of the most popular rides in Fantasyland almost immediately, if not all of Magic Kingdom. Especially considering how popular the movie still is all these years later. If you bring in another ride that has a popular princess like Rapunzel, that's just going to bring in so many more families to the parks as the years go on. Now, if this was just me imagining a ride, that would be one thing. But the reason I take this idea so seriously is because Disney has already tested it. Disney has already built a Tangled boat ride. And this isn't one of those situations where fans are creating a ride concept that Disney has never even considered before. Disney Imagineers already considered it, and they built it. And honestly, that's the part that made me take this idea way more seriously. When Fantasy Springs opened at Tokyo Disney Sea, one of the featured attractions was Tangled, and the ride system they chose was a boat ride, which obviously was very fitting, because Imagineers looked at Tangled and decided that water, boats, and chill, slow-moving storytelling was the best way to bring that movie to life. In other words, they came to the exact same conclusion that many fans have. Tangled works incredibly well in this format, which really shouldn't be that surprising when you think about it. From everything we've seen, guests love it. And after seeing the footage of this ride, it's not hard to understand why. The ride captures the scale, beauty, and atmosphere of the movie in a way that just feels perfect for it. The attraction gives riders the chance to experience major scenes from the film while building toward the lantern sequence, which acts as the emotional finale. Sound familiar? It's exactly why I think this idea is so interesting, because Disney has already proven the concept works. And this is not the first time that Disney has taken a ride from Tokyo Disney and recreated it in Magic Kingdom. If you haven't figured it out already, Tron Light Cycle Run. It's almost the same thing that happened over there. Shanghai made an incredible ride, and then Magic Kingdom picked up on that and added it to their own park. And just like Tron and Magic Kingdom, if Imagineering was ever asked to bring a major Tangled ride to Walt Disney World, they would not have to be starting from scratch. They already have the blueprint, and that's what separates this idea from a lot of Disney fan theories. Most theories require Disney to invent something completely new. This one does not. Disney has already shown us what a Tangled boat ride can look like, which brings us to the biggest obstacle standing in the way of this entire idea. Of course, the one big problem is that It's a Small World is one of Disney's most iconic attractions. It's been a part of Magic Kingdom since opening day. Millions of guests have memories attached to it, and replacing it would create a ton of controversy. So do I think Disney is secretly planning this, at least for the future? No, unfortunately, I don't. There's absolutely no evidence of that. But Disney has shown before that they're willing to rethink attractions when they believe a different concept better fits the future direction of an area. A good example is Tower of Terror and California Adventure becoming Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout. Now, I'm not saying those situations are identical because they're not, but it does show that Disney is willing to make major changes to established attractions when they believe that a new theme fits the surrounding area better. We've seen ride systems reused before, we've seen major rethemes happen before, and we've seen Disney invest heavily in popular movies before. So while I don't think this is likely, I also don't think it's impossible. I know some people are going to completely disagree with me, and that's fair. I'm ready for it. It's a Small World is iconic. It's one of Disney's most recognizable rides. But if Disney asked me today whether I'd keep the current version of Small World or get a modern Tangled attraction on the scale of Tokyo's ride, if not better, I'm choosing Tangled every single time. So at the end of the day, no, I don't think Disney is going to do this. But if Disney announced tomorrow that Tangled was replacing It's a Small World in Magic Kingdom, I wouldn't be surprised in the slightest. In fact, after looking at the location, the ride system, and what Disney's already done with this ride concept, I think it might be one of the smartest rethemes that Disney could make. Maybe I'm crazy for thinking this, but I think it's at least worth the conversation. So what do you guys think? Would you rather see Tangled get a major attraction in Magic Kingdom, or should It's a Small World stay exactly how it is moving forward? Let me know down in the comments below, and thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe for more Disney Parks content, and I'll see you guys in the next one.